The phase angle between two voltages can be determined using the waveforms displayed on an oscilloscope screen. The two voltages are applied to channel 1 and 2 respectively. This method involves moving the waveforms so that their 0 points is on the same horizontal line, preferably the center line. A complete cycle of the waveform has 360 degrees. One cycle of the waveform covers 5 divisions. There is one division between the beginning points of the waveforms. The value of this division is 360 divided by 5, which is equal to 72 degrees. Therefore, the phase angle between the two waveforms is 72 degrees.